चैप्टर 1105 1105 की बारी आ चुकी है। पिछले चैप्टर में हमने देखा कि कैसे सैटर्न ने एक बस्टर कॉल इनिशिएट कर दिया था एगेड आइलैंड पे। तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आगे आने वाले कुछ चैप्टर्स में एगेड आइलैंड एकदम तबाह हो जाएगा। ओहारा आइलैंड और वो कौन सा आइलैंड था जहाँ पे इन लोगों ने लूफी वगैरह ने अटैक किया था रॉबिन को बचाने के लिए, जो भी था वो मरीन का जस्टिस वाला, उसकी तरह तबाह हो जाएगा। प्रिपेयर फॉर अ फुल फ्लीट बॉम्बार्डमेंट. All Marines are to return to their vessels immediately. What just happened in the center of the town? Hell if I know. Just do as you're told. Saint Saturn, Admiral Borsellino, please hurry back to the ships. Kizaru and I shall remain on the island. Begin the barrage as soon as possible. What? But go. Yes, sir. हाँ वैसे सैटर्न और कीजरो को कुछ होना तो नहीं चाहिए बस्टर कॉल जैसी चीज से। I thought you were only after my life. Isn't that enough to end this madness? Vegapunk कहता है. Why are you doing this, Saint Saturn? The most cutting-edge research of all the scientific fields can be found on Egghead. Destroying it will set us back an entire century. Please call off this buster call. Kizaru, I'm begging you. You might still be hiding something. Perhaps something that could hinder the world government. Either way, we have no need for further advancement. But what about humanity? That reminds me. A ship left this island yesterday. You should know, I gave the order for it to be hunted down. What? It was natural to assume that some passengers might have had access to information about the Void Century. कल कौन सी शिप गई थी मुझे याद नहीं. A warship was sent to be safe. The dead make the best secret keepers after all. How could you? They knew nothing of. They knew nothing. None of them committed a crime. You broke a taboo, Vegapunk, just like O'Hara. You dug their graves by digging into the past. All to satisfy your selfish sense of curiosity. You should have kept your greed in check. Pacifista units, remain on the island. Everyone else, begin evacuation immediately. This is Ship 54. Preparations are complete. Over. Ship 21 is also standing by. Quick! While Vegapunks got their attention, hightail it to the vacuum rocket. Go meet up with the others at the back entrance of the Labostratum. Right. But, Sanji, what about Vegapunk? Don't worry, Bonnie-chan. I'm not leaving without him. Nami-san, it's me. What's your status up there? We made it to the back entrance. It's so noisy though. What's going on at your end? Okay. Labostratum. वहां का सीन दिखाएंगे क्या चल रहा है. They are going to do a buster call? Yeah, this island's finished. One problem. एक सेकेंड कुछ और चल रहा है. Is Luffy okay? He's with you, right? I lost track of him. But he'll be fine. Just fill me in on what are you doing. Zoro's still off dealing with Lucci. We sent Jinbei over to get him. So he doesn't get lost. अबे यार ये इनको सच्ची में करना पड़ता है जोरो खोना जाए इसलिए. I'm worried sick about Stella. Thankfully, Lilith didn't fall down with the others. When Luffy, Frankie, Bonnie, and her were trying to move the Sunny, Brooks gone to help her. Why are we cursed to go through multiple buster calls? Usopp कह रहा है कि हम क्यों भाई, हमारे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है, इतने सारे बस्टर कॉल हमारे ऊपर। रॉबिन का तीसरा बस्टर कॉल है टेक्निकली। लेट्स हरी एंड गेट आउट ऑफ हियर ऑलरेडी। गेट रेस्ट व्हाइल यू कैन रॉबिन। One problem. Our plan to have Vega Force 1 carry us past the coast isn't possible anymore. The robot was destroyed by Kizaru. What? Sailing a ship on land is a simple matter. When you have my aid. You are amazing, Bones. We'll make it to the back entrance in no time. Okay, okay. We can glide seamlessly. Now the island clouds are frozen. What an what an idea. Your powers are remarkable too. Yo ho ho, I'm flattered to be praised by the world's greatest genius. By the way, how are we going to stop when we get there? तो ब्रुक की पावर यूज करके चल रहा है ये शिप जो हवा में लैंड पे। अच्छा, ब्रुक ने फ्रीज कर दिया होगा ना नीचे का रास्ता और शिप मोमेंटम से। नाइस। ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में कभी कभी समझ नहीं आता कि क्या चल रहा है। ओह, आई हैडंट थॉट ऑफ दैट। वी आर गोइंग टू फ्लाई ऑफ द एज। अच्छा, isn't there anything we can do? I'm all ears, Lilith song. भैंस की आंख ब्रुक हेल्प कर रहा था कि the barrier around the labostratum is still up. We'll have to blast through. बट अगर ब्रुक की फ्रीजिंग पावर्स यूज हो सकती है तो वो फ्रीज करके ऊपर नहीं ऐसे माउंट बना सकता सच दैट वो रुक जाए, एक उल्टा रैंप जैसा। Begin the first volley. What? Some of us are still boarding. Turn the future city and the central science lab into dust. Watch out, the pacifista are on the move. तो फर्स्ट वॉली का कमांड दे दिया गया है और बस्टर कॉल हमारा शुरू हो चुका है। और वेगापंक देख रहा है सब कुछ टूटते वूटते हुए। और पैसिफिस्टा वगैरह भी सारे तबाही मचा रहे, बस्टर कॉल में हेल्प कर रहे हैं। The destination of this capsule is the labostratum. Let's go. Be quick, vacuum rocket. What is this thing? It's crazy fast. The approximate journey from the labostratum is 32 seconds. वो अच्छा, तो ये लोग जा रहे थे, ये सब लोग ना, ये क्या एटलस और फ्रैंकी है क्या वो, ये सब लोग बैठ के उसमें जा रहे थे और अचानक से कीजरू आके इनको रोकता है। अमानो मुराकुमो। और इसने तोड़ के अलग कर दिया पाइप से और इनकी कैप्सूल निकल के बाहर आ गई। Oh, Kizaru, that bastard. I'm coming, Bonnie-chan. Pacifista units. How suitably ironic. Fire your lasers. Kill Bonnie and Kuma. You threw away your life so that your daughter could live. And now her life will be taken by your clones. Daddy. A fitting fate for a squirming insect. Your struggle was truly the height of folly. Bonnie, when I heard you had become a pirate, I couldn't help but dwell on the worst case scenario. A pacifista won't hesitate to shoot you in the Navy commander. If the Navy commander, they may look just like your father, but they don't know or care that you are the daughter of their progenitor. Hey, isn't this straw hat? I'm so stuffed I can barely move. अब इसने फिर कुछ खावा लिया क्या? Seize him, quick! He's an emperor. अच्छा हाँ, ये खा रहा था जब उसने बॉनी को पकड़ा था सैटर्न ने, कोने में खा तो रहा था। We failed to neutralize the escape vessel. We have to report this to Kizaru-san. He has to know that they are heading for Eged. Someone else is on the way. कौन भाई? क्या चल रहा है इधर? ये कौन आ रहा है? ये किसका फ्लैग है? ये तो मनी नहीं है ना? गाइस आई डोंट नो कि कौन आ रहा है, कोई तो आ रहा है, पर कोई नहीं। चैप्टर यहीं खत्म होता है और मैं चला, बाय।